Hey, what's up guys, this is Tone here, and today I'm going to be bringing you another speed art video. So this one is for muscle milk. It's a protein milk type drink. It actually doesn't have dairy if I'm right. So yeah, it's pretty good. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I had some fun making this, and it was interesting experimenting with backgrounds and such. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy the video, and peace out. Hey, come on now, man. I see you getting bored. You got this, bro. Just keep watching.
Yeah.